The Serenity Prayer in Business. How its simple application can change your entire perspective. I absolutely love this topic. In business and in life, there's only so much we can control. The rest is just noise. And yet most people spend their energy fighting battles they can't win, stressing over things they can't change, and ignoring the power they actually have. You've probably heard it before, maybe even thought it was just for the addiction recovery. But the truth is, the Serenity Prayer is a blueprint for business, decision-making, and success. Grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. This isn't about personal struggles. It's about knowing when to push, when to pivot, and when to let go. In business, this mindset is everything. The Serenity Prayer isn't some sort of modern wisdom designed for AA. It's ancient wisdom. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, preached the same philosophy over 2,000 years ago. The Stoics believed that true power comes from knowing what's in your control and what isn't. They understood that wasting energy on the uncontrollable leads to stress, failure, and wasted potential. Sound familiar? Entrepreneurs who chase what they can't control, markets, competitors, clients' emotions, burn out. The ones who focus on what they can control, they win. So how do we apply this strategy in our daily business? Simple. Break it down into 3 questions. Number 1, what can I not control? The economy, no control. People's opinions, no control. Someone ghosting your proposal, not yours to fight. 2, what can I control? Your pricing strategy, your work ethic, your adaptability, your customer experience, those are 100% in your control. What's the difference? Smart business owners don't waste time on the uncontrollable. They accept reality, adjust, and execute. The Serenity Prayer isn't just for AA meetings. It's a business strategy. It's a success formula. It's a life philosophy. When you stop stressing over things you can't control and start dominating the things you can, everything changes. Business gets simpler, decisions get clearer, and life gets lighter. So what's one thing that you need to accept? And what's one thing you can change today? Drop a little set of prayer hands in the comments if applying the Serenity Prayer makes sense in your business. We'd obviously love you to like and subscribe. And if focusing on what you can control makes perfect sense, then please join us on episode number 6, Stoicism and Bookkeeping, where we're going to explore applying the philosophy of the Stoics in everyday business a little more closely.